What exactly would you be doing in this business? The step-by-step breakdown. Most people hesitate because they don't fully understand what they'd be doing. Let's break it down step by step. People always ask me, but what would I actually be doing in this business? Let me show you a moment. If you've ever been confused about what this business is or how it works, this is for you. Stay with me because I'm breaking down the exact steps. No fluff and no confusion. What you'd actually be doing, what I do in this business, and 52,000 other members. Here's how it works in simple terms. You're sharing a proven digital blueprint. You're not creating products. You're using a done-for-you system. Business built in a box, ready to go. Just plug it in. The blueprint teaches others how to start their own digital business. You're providing value and real education, not just selling something. You're using automated systems to do all the heavy lifting and work for you worldwide. Instead of chasing people, content and marketing brings leads to you. The system does the explaining, so you don't have to convince anyone. Email sequences, funnels, and automation handle follow-ups 24/7. You're getting paid 100% profit every sale. Unlike affiliate marketing or MLMs, multi-level marketing, there's no revenue split, no middleman, no monthly fees. You earn instantly and keep it all. You're building a real profitable business, not just another side hustle. Does this sound like a business model you could see yourself doing? Drop a light bulb in the comments below. My next video, I'm going to dive into what makes this different from all the failed models. Don't miss it. Put ready in the comments to learn more.